Welcome to Top 5 Verdict. The best walking sticks is probably one of the most essential tools for individuals seeking enhanced stability and confidence in their daily movements, offering a crucial blend of support and independence for those who need it most. Whether navigating uneven terrain, recovering from an injury, or simply seeking an extra layer of security, a well-chosen walking stick can transform everyday mobility, empowering users to explore their surroundings with greater ease and peace of mind. This review will guide you through selecting the perfect walking stick to suit your unique needs and lifestyle. Number 5. TrailBuddy Trekking Poles. No matter the adventure, you need gear that can keep up. These trekking poles are built tough enough for the long haul, ensuring reliability on any trail. Crafted from elite aircraft-grade aluminum, they are designed to be lighter, stronger, and more durable than other options. Experience premium quality in every step. Easily adjust them to your perfect height in seconds, from a maximum of 54 inches down to just 24.5 inches when collapsed. They're even great for kids. Our lever locks are simple to operate with just one hand, making adjustments much easier than traditional twist locks. Focus on your hike, not on fiddling with your gear. Enjoy a secure hold with padded straps and moisture-wicking cork handles that mold to your hand. Threaded pole tips ensure accessories stay put, even in challenging conditions. These are compact enough to fit in your backpack or carry-on luggage. Measuring just 21 inches disassembled, they are TSA-friendly and perfect for lightweight travel. They provide stable, dependable support on uneven terrain. They are ideal for seniors, hikers, and anyone seeking extra confidence with each step. What we like. Built for durability and ease of use, these poles feature aircraft-grade aluminum and simple lever locks. If you're looking for reliable support on various terrains and appreciate quick adjustments, these are a great choice. Their compact, TSA-friendly design also makes them ideal for travelers. What people say. The grip is comfortable and secure, making it easy to hold for extended periods. The adjustable height feature is very convenient, allowing for a customized fit for different users. These walking sticks are lightweight yet sturdy, providing excellent support and stability. Number 4. TrailBuddy Trekking Poles. No matter the adventure, you need gear that can keep up. These trekking poles are built tough enough for the long haul, ensuring reliability on any trail. Crafted from elite aircraft-grade aluminum, they are designed to be lighter, stronger, and more durable than other options. Experience superior quality on your hikes. Easily adjust them to your perfect height in seconds, from a maximum of 54 inches down to just 24.5 inches when collapsed. They're even great for kids. Our lever locks are simple to operate with just one hand, making adjustments much easier than traditional twist locks. Focus on your hike, not your gear. Enjoy a comfortable and secure hold with padded straps and moisture-wicking cork handles that mold to your hand. Threaded tips keep accessories attached, even in challenging conditions. Compact and foldable, they easily fit into your backpack or carry-on. Measuring just 21 inches disassembled, they are TSA-friendly for effortless travel. These provide stable and dependable support on uneven terrain. They are ideal for seniors, hikers, or anyone seeking extra confidence with every step. What we like. Crafted from strong yet lightweight aluminum with user-friendly lever locks, these poles offer exceptional durability. If you need a dependable companion for hiking or everyday balance, especially if you value ease of adjustment and portability for travel, consider these. They are designed to provide confidence with every step. What people say. The walking stick is lightweight and easy to adjust. It provides excellent stability and support, making it ideal for hiking on uneven terrain. The ergonomic handle is comfortable to grip, even during long walks. Number 3. HONEYBULL Foldable and Adjustable Walking Cane. Introducing the HONEYBULL Walking Cane, designed to provide reliable support for your parents and grandparents. It's an easy-to-use solution perfect for seniors, the elderly, and those recovering from injuries. This cane features a lightweight and foldable design, making it incredibly easy to pack and travel with. Its strong aluminum build ensures it's both durable and heavy-duty for everyday use. Easily adjust the height of this cane to suit your needs, from 30 to 36 inches. It's designed to provide a perfect fit for individuals ranging from 5 to 6 feet 5 inches tall. Experience the convenience of a cane that stands firmly on its own. Its extra wide, 3-tipped base offers exceptional stability on various surfaces. The pivoting tip ensures maximum ground contact, adapting to angled surfaces with ease. The non-scratch rubber base provides a secure grip on any terrain. What we like. This cane is engineered for robust support and stability, featuring a heavy-duty build and a unique freestanding, pivoting tip. If you require a cane that can stand on its own and adapt to various surfaces, offering maximum ground contact and reliability, this is the one. It's particularly suitable for seniors or individuals needing consistent, dependable assistance. What people say. The walking stick is lightweight and easy to adjust. It provides excellent stability and support, making it ideal for hiking on uneven terrain. The ergonomic handle is comfortable to grip, even during long walks. Number 2. REHAND Foldable Adjustable Walking Cane. This cane offers 8 adjustable height settings, perfect for individuals between 5 and 6 feet 5 inches tall. Easily find the right fit for maximum comfort and support. Experience superior comfort with our innovative handle design. It provides a larger contact area, reducing palm fatigue and preventing muscle cramping. Navigate any surface with confidence. The slip-resistant base ensures stability on uneven ground, while the shock-absorbing feature protects your joints. Designed for life on the go, this lightweight cane folds up in seconds. It easily fits into a briefcase, bag, or purse for convenient storage and transport. Redefine your mobility with this innovative walking aid. It's designed for you and your loved ones, offering a brilliant and reliable experience. Your purchase includes the folding cane, convenient travel bag, and access to our friendly customer service for a brilliant using experience. What we like. Experience superior comfort and stability with its innovative ergonomic handle and advanced all-terrain base that absorbs shock. If you suffer from palm pressure or fatigue, or need enhanced stability on uneven ground, this cane is an excellent option. The included travel bag makes it incredibly convenient for those on the go. What people say. The walking sticks are lightweight and easy to adjust. The ergonomic handles provide a comfortable grip. They offer excellent stability and support on various terrains. Number 1. Medical King Adjustable Folding Walking Cane. Experience unparalleled comfort and stability with this walking cane. It's designed to support your back, shoulder, and wrist, helping you walk straighter and more upright. This walking cane is your perfect travel companion. It comes with a carrying strap and is ideal for use on trains, airplanes, and other forms of travel. Find your perfect fit with 10 adjustable height settings, ranging from 40 to 49 inches. It accommodates users from 4.5 to 6.5 feet tall and supports up to 300 pounds. Stay safe with its special slip-resistant rubber tip that prevents falls. You can also easily replace the tip for continued optimal performance. Crafted with high-quality materials, this cane is both sturdy and comfortable. It meets all USA safety requirements and comes with a lifetime warranty. What we like. This walking stick offers exceptional adjustability and a comfortable, balanced design to improve your posture and confidence. If you're seeking a cane that provides excellent support for your back, shoulder, and wrist, and can be customized to your exact height, this is a fantastic choice. Its self-standing feature adds an extra layer of convenience for daily use. What people say. The walking sticks are lightweight and easy to adjust, making them comfortable for extended use. The ergonomic handles provide a secure and comfortable grip, reducing strain on the hands and wrists. The non-slip rubber tips offer excellent traction on various surfaces, enhancing stability and safety. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.